In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a social media graphic in Figma. By the end, you'll have a polished design you can tailor to your brand without starting from scratch. First, open the Figma website in your browser. Once the page loads, look for the Community section. This is where creators share templates and resources you can use for free. Click Community to enter the library. In the search bar, type Social Media Graphic. This search will bring up a wide range of ready-made templates, from Instagram posts to story formats and cover graphics. Take a moment to scroll through the results. You'll see previews that show color schemes, typography choices, and layout styles, which helps you quickly spot something that fits your aesthetic or the message you want to share. When you find a design you like, select it to open the details page. Here, you can skim the preview images and read a short description to understand what's included. When you're ready, click Open in Figma. This action brings the template into your workspace so you can edit it as if it were your own file. Now feel free to change the font and color to match your style. Start with typography. Choose fonts that reflect your brand's tone, bold and modern for a dynamic feel, or clean and minimal for a professional look. Keep contrast in mind. Your headline should be easy to read at a glance, especially on small screens. If the template uses multiple fonts, try to keep it to 2 families to maintain clarity and hierarchy. Next, adjust the colors. Swap the template's palette for your brand colors or a complementary set that supports your message. Use high contrast between text and background to maintain legibility and be consistent with accent colors so the design feels cohesive. If you're not sure where to begin, change one element at a time. Background, then headings, then accents, so you can see the impact clearly. As you customize, take advantage of the template's existing structure. Replace placeholder text with your own copy while maintaining the original spacing and alignment. Keep margins and padding consistent so the composition remains balanced. If the template includes shapes or icons, you can recolor them to align with your palette and reinforce your visual hierarchy. Finally, give everything a quick review. Zoom out to see the full graphic and make sure the focal point stands out, the text is readable, and the colors feel intentional. With that, you've designed a social media graphic in Figma using a community template customized to look and feel like your brand.